iPhone 16 Pro Max. Enable NFC, Apple Pay and Tag Reader. Full setup guide. Scan NFC tags automatically. There's no toggle needed. NFC works in the background. Just wake your screen and touch the top edge of your iPhone to an NFC tag. Your phone will detect and act on it automatically. Create custom NFC tag actions. Step 1. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap Automation. Create personal automation. Step 2. Select NFC, then tap Scan, and tap your NFC tag. Name it and tap Done. Step 3. Tap Add Action. Choose what you want, e.g., start a timer or control smart devices. Enable Apple Pay. Step 1. Open Settings, go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Step 2. Turn on the double-click side button option. Step 3. Open the Wallet app. Tap. Follow instructions to add and verify your card. Pay with Apple Pay. Step 1. Double-click the side button, even with screen off. Step 2. Authenticate using Face ID or passcode. Step 3. Hold the top edge of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done.